Hey guys, what's up? And we're here with a cubicle unboxing. I just got this in the mail. It was supposed to come on Christmas, but let's open this up. Okay, so inside we have a Cyclone Boys Pure Mink City table, and we have a 5x5, and then we got the fidget cube spinner. It's basically a Rubik's Cube. Let's review this. So yeah, this is the fidget cube, the easiest Rubik's Cube to solve. Yeah, so that's basically this. And then here is a 5x5. Oops. Okay, so it comes with these instructions. And then here is the 5x5 itself. Locks up a lot, that's the only problem. It's a pretty good cube. And we have our Pure Minx that's in a little bad box, it's in bad shape. But that's okay. Okay, so we come to the Pure Minx. It's really good. Moves really fast. This was bigger than I expected in real life. But yeah, these are the cubes I basically got. They're basically all bigger than I expected. Anyway guys, thanks for watching, and I will see you next video.